Hello students, welcome to Eshwari channel. Students, in this video we are going to see how to get more marks in NEET 2025, especially in chemistry, on which are the chapters you have to focus more, and also how to go through the syllabus. So I'll tell you few tips. So first what we are going to see is regarding the syllabus. So when you compare syllabus of 2024 and 2025, the syllabus remains the same. So since the syllabus remains the same, so the type of questions which came in 2024, the same type of questions will come in 2025. What is the difference between 2024 and 2025 NEET paper is pattern and time duration. So whether this will have any effect in 2025 NEET examination, the answer is definitely yes. So differences, if you see, last year totally in chemistry 50 questions will be given. That is 35 in part A and 15 in part B. So 35, it is a compulsory question. All 35 questions you have to answer. And in this part B, 15 questions. So you can choose any 10 questions. So 5 questions you can leave and 10 questions you have to answer. Whereas in 2025, so totally 45 questions and you have to answer all the 45 questions to get full marks. So last year, students, if they feel difficult in numericals, they can skip numericals, or if they find one or two concept difficult, they can skip that concept. Still, they will be able to score full marks in chemistry, that is 180. But this year, if you find numericals difficult and if you leave, or if you find one or two concepts difficult and if you leave, so you cannot score full marks in chemistry. So that is why, so this year it is going to be tough when compared to last year. Now we will see the high weightage chapters. So coming to physical chemistry, the basics in physical chemistry is basic concepts of chemistry. So students, usually in this chapter, almost 3 questions will appear every year. And then structure of atom. So even from this chapter, almost 2 questions will come. And then thermodynamics, 3 questions possibility is there. And equilibrium, so 3 questions can come. So students, here particularly you have to focus on ionic equilibrium. So questions will come, 1 or 2 questions from ionic equilibrium. So I have made many videos on ionic equilibrium. You can check that. And then chemical kinetics. So 3 questions will come from chemical kinetics. So how to read this physical chemistry is, first go through the concepts. So you have to strengthen your concepts. After you go through the concepts, you have to solve the in-text questions. So solve the in-text questions and go through the previous year questions. So students, if you do this much, you will get confidence in physical chemistry and then start solving as many numericals as possible. So students, numericals can be given in 2 ways. That is, one with equation and one without equation. So students, whenever equation is given, check that whether it is balanced or not. So balance the equation and then try to solve. And also focus on the units which is given. So when you focus on the units which is given, so you will clearly get an idea how to solve the numericals. And then coming to inorganic chemistry. So inorganic chemistry is one of the easiest part in the chemistry. So students, my suggestion is always start from inorganic chemistry because it is the easiest when compared to physical and inorganic chemistry. In inorganic chemistry, go through chemical bonding. Almost 3 questions will come from that. And then coordination compound, 3 questions will come every year. So students, coordination compound, I have taught beautiful tricks to solve the questions. You can go through that. And then D and F block elements, 3 questions will come. So students, inorganic chemistry, NCERT line by line you have to read, which is very important. So I'll show you inorganic, how important it is for you to read NCERT line by line. So this question I have taken from 2024 paper. So those who have attempted 2024 paper, you would have seen this question. Arrange the following elements in the increasing order of first ionization enthalpy. So students, this question is directly taken from NCERT. So you can see page number 88 from periodic classification of elements. So this is from old textbook page number I am giving. So here if you see page number 88, first ionization enthalpy. So here you can see how important it is to learn this. So lithium and then boron, beryllium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine and neon. So here you can see first is lithium and then boron. So you can see here lithium boron. So directly you will get an answer if you know this concept. So everywhere you can see it is beryllium, 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 boron, beryllium. So here if you go to this till here, you can easily find the answer. So this is the correct option. So directly it is taken from here and then it is given. So students, here no need to remember these values. So here you can see for lithium it is 520 and then boron 801 and beryllium 899. Don't remember the values. So what you have to remember here is only the order. So how it is increasing. So only that order you have to remember. And then one more question which is directly taken from NCERT is identify the correct answer. So here three canonical forms can be drawn for carbonate ion. So this is from the chemical chapter. So you can see figure 4.4. Resonance in carbonate ion 1, 2 and 3 represent three canonical forms. So this is directly given from here. So if you go through NCERT line by line, so you can easily answer this question. And here second one you see three resonance structures can be drawn for ozone. Ozone is O3. So here this is in page number 109. So see here structure 1 and 2 represent two canonical forms. So ozone has only two canonical forms, but here it is given three resonance structures can be drawn for ozone. So this is wrong option. Next is BF3 has non-zero dipole moment. So for this you can see this table 4.5. BF3 has dipole moment 0, but here it is given non-zero dipole moment. So this is also wrong option. And then dipole moment of NF3 is greater than NH3. So same table you can see ammonia is having 1.47 and NF3 is having 0.23. So ammonia has greater dipole moment than NF3. But here you see NF3 has greater dipole moment than NH3, which is a wrong statement. So all these three statements are wrong. Only this is correct. So you can see all this concepts are cut and paste. So this is from the textbook. So line by line and also in text and whatever is given in the tabular form like this, you have to go through it. So inorganic chemistry, so NCERT line by line you have to understand and then it will be easy for you to attempt the questions. Coming to organic chemistry. So students, organic chemistry, GOC, it is the basics in organic chemistry. Usually 3 questions can come from that. And hydrocarbons. So one of the simplest chapter, from this 3 questions can come. And then haloalkanes and haloarenes, 3 questions can come. Alcohol, phenol and ethers. From this also 3 questions can come. So all together you can see 140 marks you can get if you go through this chapters. So students, I'll be posting more of videos how to solve the questions and also important tips and tricks I'll be posting on chemistry. So keep watching and also share this video with your friends. I'll meet you in the next video. All the very best.